YouTube, what's up? Hey, do you got one of these heritage badges? You're not really sure how to put it on though, right? I was the same way. Stick around. I'm gonna show you how to put mine on and how it ain't coming off, even with hopping.
It's not a
So let's get started. So here's the things you need to get that heritage badge on your grill. Some things I picked up from my local hardware store. As you can see, here's what I got here. I got me a rubber grommet. You know, this was suggested by the dude working the hardware store. Thanks to him because I wasn't thinking of that. 3/16 toggle wing. Okay, what it does is obviously it goes through here, and once you push it through, see how the springs like that. Once you push it through, it'll pop open and then grab onto the back of the grill. It's grab onto the back of the grill like that. They're for drywall, but I seen it. I was like, oh, this is gonna work the same way. Some screws. Okay, so the screws that it came with, they work, but I needed some longer ones. So this is a 3-inch here, and this is a 2.5-inch right there. I was going to use this one here and just cut the end off of it, grind it down, and basically make it a machine screw. But then he came up with this idea here. He found the machine screw for me, and that worked good. So we're going to use that. It's plenty right there. And your heritage badge and a screwdriver. You know what I mean? So the only reason I'm doing this is because the clips that came with these heritage badges didn't work. So I ordered this one first, and it was for 89 to 90, and obviously that's a 91 plus grill, I think. I don't know, but it didn't work. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna look on eBay and find another one. And I found one. I was like, oh, this one's gonna work, and this and that. That didn't work. So this didn't fit through here. I tried all types of things. This comes apart. Didn't work for me at all. I'm like, all right, yeah. So I gotta find another way to do this. Went to the hardware store, got the brainstorming. This is what I came up with. You hear them dogs barking, Jesus. And I'm not even mic'd up, so hopefully y'all can hear me. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna take this grommet, I'm gonna take my badge, and put this on the back there like this that keeps it from sliding around. It's gonna hold it in place real nice. Like, that didn't even move with my hand. You know what I mean? It's gonna hold it real nice. I'm gonna take my 2.5-incher here, I'm gonna slide it through. Then I'm gonna take my toggle wing and screw it on. So what you want to do is, if you're doing it on the car, which you can, you want to screw this on enough for, look at those ants, you probably can't even see them. Dang, I couldn't get it on. And again, this is a 3/16 toggle wing. I don't know if I said that before, but that's what I got. You want to put the screw through enough. That way when it goes through, it don't get to shaking on you or whatever. Pick your spot. Pretty sure this is where this goes. Fold it up like that. Put it through sideways. Get yourself lined up. Let's see, it'll bring you up here. So you see how I was like, it didn't come all the way through? I might have to use the other one. This might not work. Oh, there it is. Okay, did you see that? I probably did it. It didn't come all the way through, so I just spun it around a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the back of the grill like that. Get my screwdriver and start screwing that thing in. Get yourself situated back here. Make sure you're all right. Get yourself lined up. You want it to read right. Man, that thing's on there. That ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna be hopping around, man. That ain't going nowhere. All right, so we got that. And just to make sure, I didn't show you the other materials, but just to make sure it's really safe, I'm gonna go ahead and get me 2 of these little nuts here. I'm gonna screw them on the back here. That's the hard part you might have, getting these on there, but even if you put some Loctite on it, it should work too. But I'm gonna just go ahead and screw these on the back of here. And then obviously I'm gonna get me a wrench and tighten them down. But man, that thing looks good. It ain't going nowhere. Put my number one. But actually, I take the adhesive cover plastic thing protection thing. You know what? I'm gonna leave that on there for protection. Go ahead and slap my badge on there. My number one, my first lack. Bow! Ooh! Ooh! I'm about to kill him. Yeah, I'm gonna get this back on the car. That's how you put your heritage badge on. Look, man, that ain't going nowhere. It's on there. New school style. Man, that what? Come on now, you gotta know that. Man, y'all gonna see it. Y'all see it. I'll be right back with y'all. So yeah, check it out. Look, that motherfucker's not going nowhere. Ain't spinning, ain't doing nothing. Hop all day. Now, she ain't coming off, bruh. She on there. Let's get it.